Hello viewers, welcome to our channel where we explore the world of stylish and comfortable furnitures. Today we have something special to share with you, the velvet upholstered sofa set. If you are in search of a sofa that not only adds elegance to your space but also provides exceptional comfort, you have come to the right place. Let's dive in and discover what makes this sofa set a must-have for your living rooms. First thing, let's talk about the upholstery. The velvet sofa set furnitures a luxurious and soft fabric that adds a touch of sophistication to any room. The high-quality upholstery is not only visually appealing but also feels incredibly comfort to touch. Whether you prefer a classic and contemporary aesthetic, the velvet sofa set effortlessly blend in with any interior style. Now let's discuss the design. The velvet sofa set boasts a silk and modern design with clean lines and gentle curve. It comes into a variety of sizes and configurations, allowing you to choose the perfect set for your living room. Whether you need a compact two seats or a spacious sections, the velvet sofa set has you covered. What sets the velvet sofa set apart from others is the attention to detail. Its feature plush cushions that provide optimal support for your back and body. The seat cushions are designed to retain their shape over time, ensuring long-lasting comfort. The backrest cushion often just the right amount of firmness, creating a cozy and inviting seating experience. Comfort is essential, but durability is quality important. The velvet sofa set is built to last. The frame is crafted from hardwood, ensuring stability and strength. Let's talk about customization options. The velvet sofa set comes in a wide range of colors, allowing you to choose the perfect shade to complement your existing decor. We know accident happens, especially in a business household. That's why the velvet sofa set is designed for easy maintenance. Now let's address the question on everyone's mind, the price. That concludes our review of the velvet sofa set. Thanks for your joining us today, and don't forget